With just 1500 rupees, you can start investing in stock market and use algo trading to get returns. Yes, you heard me right. Just 1500 rupees is more than enough. To learn about this, please watch my video till the end as I'm going to be discussing algo trading strategy for starting with just 1500 rupees of capital. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant, and I'm bringing to you a strategy which you can use with minimum capital to get returns. So please watch the strategy till the end. So I have developed one Bank Nifty buying strategy, which I'm going to be discussing with you today. So as I have already told you that we already have a lot of platforms wherein preset rules are already available. So I am using AlgoTest to show you this particular strategy, and I'll show you what parameters I have put in. So if you put in the same parameters with a minimum investment of 1500 to 5000 rupees depending on the premium. So let's understand the parameters of the strategy, and if you use the same parameters, then I will also do a back testing and show you what the results look like. So it's a bank nifty strategy in cash. The type of strategy is intraday. Intraday means that we will be buying and selling within the same day. So we close our transaction within the same day. Now our entry time is post 9:17. So any time after 9:17, whenever my terms and conditions have been met, the algo will automatically buy the trade for me, and he will close the trade by 3:15 p.m. Now, no re-entry after 3 p.m. So basically, after 3 p.m., they are not going to buy. So if my conditions have not been met up to 3 p.m., no strategy would take place during that day. So between 9:15 to 3:15 is my trading time. Leg is partial leg, and what I am doing is I am buying one call option and one put option. So the strike price is at the money. There is a stop loss of 20 percentage, so basically my loss will not exceed 20 percentage. I have put a stop loss also. So this is one benefit with algo trading, that you can always minimize your loss, and you can say this is how much loss I can bear. Beyond this, do not take the trade ahead. Similar conditions I've put for a put option. I'm buying one lot. It's a weekly expiry at the money strike price, 20% its stop loss. Trail is for 10 to 10 points. Now, if I look at overall strategy, what I have done is I have put a maximum loss. I have also quantified the loss. So on top, I've put the percentage. Below, I have quantified. So beyond 1200, if there is a loss happening, even if it is within 10%, you will still close my trade. So I have to put two conditions for my stop loss. Then I have also put a profit lock-in. Now, what is this profit lock-in? So basically, if I am going to be earning 1,000 rupees of profit, and let's say my profit then starts dipping, then if my profit dips up to 500, I am okay. So at 500, you lock my profit. If the profit dips further to 400, 300, my trade will would have already stopped at 500, and 500 would be my minimum profit that I am making. So I've also put a minimum profit criteria. So in case profit starts dipping, then 500 is my stoppage condition. So minimum 500 profit is what I will make out of the trade. Now these are the conditions that I have put. If you want to use the same algo, I am putting a link below of Tradetron where I have developed this entire strategy. You can simply click on the link and use the same strategy for your trading purpose. Now I'm doing a back testing. I'm doing a back testing for the last 1 year. So let's see from 8th of June last year till 8th of June, which is today, how the trade would look like. So if I had started my investment, how would the trade look like? So we are running a back testing. Now you get a lot of these graphs and lot of figures. So as a normal person, it might get difficult to understand what these graphs and figures are. So I'm uploading a video which will help you understand the reports that are created and how to read all of these factors. So that's going to be coming up next. Please watch that to understand how to read a backtesting report. Now, just briefly understanding this, see, I am making a 36,000 rupees of profit in 1 year with a minimum investment of, let's say, 5,000 rupees. So, I'm investing 5,000 and I'm getting 36,000 during the year. However, this is a pure profit. It does not take into consideration brokerage, taxation, and slippage. So, let's look at those criteria and then see what my profit looks like. So, I'm doing a brokerage of, I'm saying include brokerage, and I'm taking zero point 0.5 rupees per order. Okay, which is a very minimum brokerage, and I'm using Alice Blue, and that's where I'm kind of getting this very minimum brokerage. You can also open a demat account in Alice Blue and start trading to make benefit of low brokerage. I'm putting the link of the same below in my description. I'm switching on taxes and charges because all transactions have taxes and charges involved. And I'm taking a 0.5 percentage of slippage. Now, what is slippage is basically in case the trade does not get executed at the exact conditions that I've put, because the market is fluctuating so much. It is not possible that they are taking the trade at the exact moment. Sometimes the trade is taken, it's, let's say, 2 3 seconds later. So then there would be a fluctuation in the prices from my condition. So I'm taking the slippage into consideration. Now I'm recalculating my profit. So you will see my overall profit is now around 19,000. So if I've invested 5,000 during the year, I am making 19,000 profit, which is approximately 3.5 times of my investment amount. So if I had followed this strategy for last 1 year, this was my expected return. But you will see there are some days when I will make loss also. Now what happens is, see, it is a game about consistency and discipline. You have to invest every day, even if you're making losses on some days. You'll have to see overall what is the moment that is happening. Overall, I'm going to make a profit. However, there would be days you will make a loss in the strategy, and there will be days you will make profit, but overall it should be a good profit scenario. So this is an entire summary of how many days I'm making profit, how many trades I would put, what is my winning percentage, what is my loss percentage, and all of this. Again, we will discuss all of this in my detailed video. So this strategy, if you're going to use, you can expect to make 19,000 of profit using a minimum investment of 5,000 rupees, which is a good for any beginner who's trying to learn about option strategy, who's trying to get into algo trading. So it is good. Again, I have put this strategy from Tradetron onto my link. You can use that link. And guys, this video is just for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. And if you want to learn further, please do subscribe to our channel. A lot of algo trading strategies are coming up your way. I hope you have understood, how the basic terms and conditions of this particular strategy has to be worked upon on algo trading. However, if you require this strategy, which I have already developed, I have put the link below in the description. So this strategy I have developed on the Tradetron software. So you can simply use the link below, log in, and start using the strategy and make some returns out of your investment. And hope you found this strategy useful. Please do subscribe to my channel, because we'll be coming with more such content in the future. Do comment below on if you've used the strategy, how the journey has been, and if you require any kind of assistance, we will be very happy to help you. Please share it with people who want to start investing with a very small amount and are looking at a systematic investment plan.